Assalamualaikum and hi to our lecturer, and my name is Muhammad Arifai bin Muhammad Rafi. My matrix number is AA 251286 and we are from grade 3, and today we will present about effect of thermal expansion on building structure. So first, for introduction, thermal expansion is a physical phenomena where the material change their length, area or volume due to the temperature fluctuation. So in building construction, components like concrete, steel and glass constantly expand when hit by daytime solar radiation and contact during the nighttime cooling. And it is because different material expand at different rates, and any restricted movement will generate a high internal force known as a thermal stress. If unmanaged, this stress can cause critical structure damage such as concrete cracking, steel frame buckling, and also joint and or waterproofing failure.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Adi Haikal bin Abdul Muiz. My matrix number is AA 250059. Next, I will explain about the theory of thermal expansion. As we know, thermal expansions occur when materials increase size as the temperature rises. This happens because the atoms inside the material vibrate faster when they are heated. As the atom vibrates more, the distance between them increases, causing the material to expand. And also, different materials have different coefficient of thermal expansion, which means they expand at different rates when exposed to heat. Therefore, engineers must consider the thermal expansion when designing structures and components. This is important to prevent problems such as cracking, bending, or structural failure that is caused by the temperature changes. In conclusion, understanding the thermal expansion is essential to ensure the safety, durability, and reliability of engineering.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firas Aish bin Muhammad Ilaudin. My number matric is AA251303. Now I will explain about application of thermal expansion in the building. First, we have concrete walls. Concrete walls absorb heat during the day and expand. They contract as temperature decrease. Over time, this repeated movement can cause cracks to form. To reduce the risk, engineers install movement joints that allow the walls to expand and contract safely. Second, we have steel beams. Steel beams experience significant thermal expansion because steel has a relatively high coefficient of thermal expansion. As temperature change, the beam expand and contract. Flexible connection and expansion allowance are provided to prevent stress build-up and maintain structural integrity. Third, we have roofing system. Metal roofing systems are exposed directly to sunlight, causing them to expand during the day and contract at night. If this movement is restricted, the roof may buckle, warp, or develop leaks. Expansion gaps and sliding clips are therefore used to accommodate thermal movement. Lastly, we have floor joints. In large concrete floors, expansion joints are installed between floor sections to allow independent movement caused by temperature change. These joints help reduce internal stress, prevent surface cracking, and improve the durability of the floor. That's all from me. Thank you.
For point number 4, problem in building structure. Thermal expansion can cause several problems in building structures when material repeatedly expand and contract due to temperature change. Some common problems include cracks in walls and floors, surface cracking, weakening of structural components, and joints failure. This issue can also increase maintenance costs because buildings require more frequent inspection and repairs. Therefore, thermal expansion must be considered during the design stage to ensure the building remains safe, durable, and long-lasting.
I will discuss the effects of thermal expansion on building. Thermal expansion has a direct impact on the performance and durability of buildings. When building materials are repeatedly exposed to heating and cooling, they will continuously expand and contract. Over time, this process creates structural stress that can reduce the lifespan of building components. Some common effects include cracks in concrete walls due to the expansion and construction of the material. Steel beams may also deform when subjected to high temperature. In addition, roof panels can move, leading to leakage problems. Thermal expansion can also damage floor joints and generate the internal stress within the structure, which may affect the overall stability and safety of the building. Therefore, engineers must consider thermal expansion during the design and construction stage to ensure that buildings are remain safe, durable and reliable.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zakwan Anif bin Lukman and my matrix number is AA251795. And next, I will explain the solution to reduce the effect of thermal expansion in buildings. First, expansion joints are provided to allow building components to expand and contract safely without causing excessive stress or damage. Second, thermal insulation is used to reduce heat transfer into the building. This helps maintain a more stable temperature and minimizes thermal movement. Third, suitable material selection is important. Materials with a lower thermal expansion coefficient expand less when exposed to heat, improving the building's structural performance. Finally, regular inspection and maintenance help detect cracks and damaged joints early, preventing more serious structural problems in the future. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fadil bin Muhammad. So today I'm going to explain about case study and conclusion. So number 7, our background of case. So the concrete buildings located in hot climates are continuously exposed to significant temperature fluctuation throughout the day. During daytime, concrete absorbs heat from direct sunlight and expand, while at night it cools and contracts. These repeated thermal cycles create movement within the building structure. And our solution is to minimize the effect of thermal expansion. Engineer install expansion joint, improve thermal insulation system, and select suitable construction material with better thermal performance. So the regular inspection and maintenance are also carried out to identify and repair damage before it becomes more severe. And last but not least, the conclusion is thermal expansion significantly affect building structure. Without proper design consideration, it can cause cracks, deformation, structural stress, and joint failure. Insulation, suitable materials, and proper structural design to ensure the safety, durability, and performance of building in all environmental conditions.